Okay, now let's talk about practical Python modules. And let's import import lib, and it is used for advanced import tools as discussed previously. And now let's also import a Python built-in math module. Import math. Now let's reload a module again into memory, and it is useful in Jupyter and after changes, in other windows. So this command is very crucial. Import lib dot reload, and I'm gonna put math here. Okay, and sometimes Python loads the old version, and the module you are working on is updated. So sometimes you need to force it to reload the updated module. So that's why we need to use the reload. And here to print it this way. Now it depends which module you are using. Okay, so this is just for the sake of understanding. Okay, print reloaded, and or module math, and let's say name. To put the comma here, you have to put the comma here. Now you can see that the updated version is uploaded. Usually it's about the module that you're working on, and there are a lot of things going on in Python. Just keeps reloading the old module, the old version, and you have added new work into your module, and you have to force the module so update to the new modules need to be reloaded. So for that you need to use that function. Now how can you error handle? So function with error handling. Okay, let me define a function. Define a function divide. You can name it whatever you want to, that is not important. And let me just add it in strings, docstring. Okay, it's good this way. So divide a by b, and we just remove the rest that is not needed. That is a clear comment for you. Okay, so that you understand it. Now you know that division by 0 is not possible, so we need to prevent division by 0. For that I need to add the condition if b is equal to 0, then raise value error. Division by 0 is not possible, is not allowed or not possible. Okay, and then you have to just include return ab. Now I define the function, and we know that division by 0 is not possible in mathematics, so that is not allowed. We need to understand that. So let me just type it here for you again for the sake of understanding. If p is equal to 0, that you need to just keep it in your head. You need to just keep repeating it, do it again and again, so that division by 0 not possible, so that you get familiar with it. It is all by doing, not by looking. Obviously you have to look, you have to watch, but you also have to practice, and this is how you are going to understand it. Now let me just add something else here. And this code, the following code, executes only if file is executed directly. So this file will not be imported and it will not run in another window. Okay, so if name is equal to main, so let me just print the testing time, the running task. Let's just print it for you. New line and running test code. Okay, and in normal case, okay, in normal case, what happens in normal case? Okay, if there is no zero in the division, the denominator divides 10 by 2. Okay, divide. Okay, let me just add a comment here. Okay, divide 2 by 3. Okay, just let me just make it a little bit clean so it doesn't look bad. Okay, let me just run it. You can see that it is fine. And let's just try the error case. So it is interesting. Error case. This is, let's try. Okay, print and 3 by, let's say 0, and let me just make it 0. Okay, so let's just our value error is, let's say value error is E. Okay, so it's gonna stop Python from crashing even if it is an error. So print and let's say error and E. You can see here the division by 0 not allowed, so this is print here. Okay,